Take it easy, mastering this popular informal farewell in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll delve into the world of informal farewells. More specifically, we're going to focus on one very common and versatile phrase, take it easy. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, how to use it properly, and the contexts in which it fits best. The phrase, take it easy, is often used when saying goodbye to someone in a casual or friendly situation. This phrase essentially means, relax, or, don't work too hard. It's a warm, friendly phrase that shows you care about the other person's well-being. For example, after hanging out with a friend, you could say, take it easy, as you part ways. This communicates your hope that they'll have a stress-free time until you next meet. While we said we won't focus on phonetics, it's worth noting that take it easy is usually pronounced with a stress on the word easy. Try saying it out loud a few times until it feels natural. Take it easy. As for usage, take it easy can be used interchangeably with other informal farewells like, see you later, or, goodbye. Remember, context is key. It's most appropriate among friends, family, or peers in a casual setting. Language is full of variation, and take it easy is no exception. There are some alternate phrases that carry a similar sentiment. For instance, take care is a bit more formal but still carries that same warmth and well-wishing sentiment. It's useful in a wider range of situations. Another one is, hang loose, though this is quite casual and somewhat tied to surfer culture or the beach lifestyle. And that's it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of how to use the phrase, take it easy, in informal farewells. You've also got a couple of alternative phrases in your back pocket. Remember, practicing using them is key to feeling comfortable and natural. We hope this video has been helpful to you on your English language journey. Until next time, take it easy.